right here in my hands, I have my favorite subscription box in the entire world. That is right, I have my mini Quirky Crate and we're gonna have a party. So it has been a while since I've posted some videos. Life has been crazy. I literally have a stack like this high of boxes to unbox with you guys today. So I'm very excited to get inside this box. If you have never been here on my channel, if you have never seen Quirky Crate, you have been missing out. I promise you, you have been missing out. There is no other box that brings me as much joy as my Quirky Crate does. I literally bought like last year a whole jean jacket just to dedicate to the flair that I get inside of my Quirky Crate box. So if you have never heard of Quirky Crate, I have a code for you to use. It'll pop up right here for you to save money off of your first subscription box. But in your Quirky Crate boxes, you will get a purse. And I love the purses that I get inside of my Quirky Crate boxes because they always remind me of the aesthetic of Betsy Johnson. You will also receive a piece of flair. And I don't have my jacket because I was like, hey, I'm going to like work on putting the flair that I've gotten in the last couple months on this jacket, and hence I don't know why I'm not wearing it today. And then you will also receive like a pair of socks or something. I absolutely love the items that I get inside of my Quirky Crate so much more than other subscription boxes because the stuff that I get inside of Quirky Crate is actually useful, like sunglasses and pens and cool earrings and stuff like that. Whereas like I feel like a lot of other boxes that are kind of a similar aesthetic to Quirky Crate, it's kind of just junk that sits around your house and collects dust. But let's see what's inside of this box. I am so excited. Okay, so we have some tissue paper that says Quirky Crate. Okay. Boom, we're gonna rip it open. Okay, super buff. And I forget to say this every month. And I remember the last box that I posted, somebody was like, you say that you always forget it to say it, but I always forget to say it where I want to say it. But what another really cool thing about Quirky Crate is that inside of each month's box, they feature an underground artist, somebody who's not very like super famous, and they will include a piece of their art or something that they create inside of the box. So they're also supporting small businesses, which is super duper 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 important during this uncertain and uneasy time. But this is on the back of the card. We have information about pricing and everything, but this is what we have. Who we are featuring in this month's box. It says Mine Eyes. Mine Eyes Design is a two-person illustration team dedicated to making illustrated clip art sets with fun contemporary themes. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's in here. Okay. I think this theme, I think if I remember correctly, this month's theme is 90s. And so I was born in 1998, which means I didn't experience 8 years of the 90s, but I have a little bit of an idea of, oh yes, a scrunchie is my, oh no, my hair is actually done for once. Oh, it's so soft. I'm gonna pass it around so we can all feel it. Oh, this is so cute. I absolutely love it. This is, I don't know, I get like Peeps vibes, like the candy. It's just me. But this is actually really, really, really soft. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying. I was saying something, but I'm gonna shut up now. We can get to the rest of the box. Okay, so here's the socks, and they're Care Bear. Yo, that is so freaking cute. I absolutely, I love the socks that I get in my Quirky Crate. Look, they got Care Bear. So cute. Oh my gosh. I actually never watched Care Bear, but my childhood like best friend was super into Care Bear, but she was always wearing like Care Bear clothing and stuff like that. And I just always was like, oh, that's so cute. I love that. But I definitely feel like I was like a little bit more into My Little Pony and Polly Pockets. Okay. The next thing that I'm pulling out. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? This is such a matte aesthetic for me right now. Oh, I can't open it up fast enough. I can't open it fast enough. Let's go. Let's open it up. Let me show you the alien hat. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love that so much. I have like 2 of these types of hats in my closet and I just don't know how to wear them. Like, I don't know, like there are girls that can look just so cute in them. And I feel like when I wear them, I'm like, oh, this isn't how I want it to turn out. So also I'm really nervous that I'm gonna have like lipstick teeth like halfway through this video and not notice it. So, oh my gosh, I love this hat so much. I can't wait to wear it. I'm so excited. Okay. The next thing that I am pulling out, let's reach in and grab it. Ooh, postcards. Oh, it says, oh baby, baby. It's Britney Spears, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. It says, oh baby, baby. That's so cute. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Ooh, Thinking of You mix. We got Britney Spears, TLC, Dr. Dre, Nirvana, and then some of these I don't know. I'm so sorry. Can you name all of the albums and of the artists on this card? I'm challenging you in the comment section down below. Okay, this one is AOL, which I've heard my parents talk about a lot, but I don't know what this is. So if you know, pop quiz in the comment section down below. I have no idea. I've seen like memes and stuff like that, but I don't know. I'm sorry. If you know, pop quiz in the comment section down below. And then roller skates, rollerblades. Yeah, so I never did those. I did roller skates like when I was in middle school a few times, but that's about it. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I'm seeing stickers. Stickers. Oh, look at the bear. He's so cute. Oh, look at the Tamagotchi. See? Yes, I had one Tamagotchi. I even downloaded it like last month. I downloaded the Tamagotchi app on my phone. So I have a little Tamagotchi again. Ah, it's so cute. I'm really hoping, yeah, this is Mine Eyes. So this is the artist that is featured in this month's box. Absolutely adorable. This month's purse is so freaking cute. I love how it's like holographic right there. Like that brings the purse to life for me. That is absolutely adorable. Okay, so we have 2 more items in this box and I'm really sad right now because I know what both of them are and that's not why I'm sad. I'm sad because I can't put these in right now. These are little freaking, what are they called? I don't know, I'm gonna call them gremlins, but I know that's not right. Like I just had a complete brain fart. But basically I pierced my ears by myself, which was like a huge no-no. And I got my ear, like basically my piercing swelled up on this side and it caused my baby holes, which is like the first hole that I got pierced, to like close. So I can only put earrings in on this side. But oh my gosh, and it tickles. Okay, pause for a second. Everybody pause what you're doing. Have you ever watched Aquamarine? I can't get it in. Have you ever watched Aquamarine? And if you have, do you know the scene where they have little starfish that whisper in your ears? Imagine if these did. Oh, I just came up with an earring design. These are so cute. I love that they tickle my face. I feel so rad right now. Okay. So, and then the last thing that I received in my Quirky Crate box was a spin. I don't remember. I want to call them trolleys. I want to call them so many things. And I feel illegitimate because I don't remember the names, but absolutely adorable. I can't wait to put this pin on. He is absolutely so freaking cute. Okay. So let's take a second and let's talk about pricing for this month. The Care Bear socks have a retail value of $9. The Game Over purse has a retail value of $34. The Alien beanie has a retail value of $15. The Rainbow Troll enamel pin has a retail value of $10. The Velvet Scrunchie has a retail value of $4. The Troll earrings, I absolutely love. I'm like, I can't stop looking at myself because I love the green with my hair. The retail value is $12. The 90s sticker sheet has a retail value of $5, and the postcard set has a retail value of $6, with a total value of $95 for this month's box. So that is everything that I received in my May Quirky Crate box, and this box was an absolute blast to unbox. I'm so excited for next month's box. I'm so happy. Okay, so what did you guys think of this box in the comment section down below? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.